We are on CFRA. What a beautiful day for this event. And we have former Ottawa Senator, former NHLer Mendes-Shean Donovan taking on a rookie. Taking on the rookie, Ian Mendes, who hosts the drive on TSN 1200. Now, I understand you've been looking at YouTube videos on how to do this.
Never bought the cow lately.
You're representing Barcade.
The urbanized part of Barcade.
All right, so Ian, step up to your cow. No, you know how to do this. You brought your beautiful daughter.
Yes.
Oh, no, you grew up in the country. This is no problem for you. You usually win this every year.
No. Like that. Sure, I got this ringer here. They brought this guy. He's saying that. He's on the line.
All right, gentlemen.
I live on YouTube. Sure.
All right, gentlemen, approach your cow. And this should be entertaining. Just out of curiosity, how many of you are cheering for Mendes-Shean Donovan? Who's cheering for the rookie, Ian Mendes? All right, make sure Ian, you run your daughter as well. Just get down. In 3, 2, 1, and start milking. You'll have 60 seconds, and then we'll see who puts more milk in the bucket.
Come on, Mendes.
Terrible start. Started out like the LA Kings the other night, but then you never know. You never know. Dono's a pro in this. He already has 4 ounces in there. In the bucket, Ian. In the bucket. In the bucket. Point straight down. All right, let's go over here to see Mendes-Shean Donovan. Dono's doing a good job here at Maryador Plaza. 2-day day 2014. Beautiful, beautiful day to come down and enjoy some fantastic food courtesy of Works on support of the Ottawa Food Bank. We'd love to see you. You can also text BEEF to 45678 for a $10 donation. Less than 10 seconds to go, guys. And we'll see who is the most pathetic between both of you. All right. And when you hear the bell, you are done. Please bring your forks.
I got beat by a 4-year-old.
Come on over. Let's see over here. Gentlemen, come on over. You're going to see just how this may be the worst showing ever for a rookie. Sean, let's pour that in first. Let's pour Sean's in first and see how much Sean has. Yeah, right in there. Sean has pouring into the cup.
Oh, yeah.
Quarter cup for Mendes-Shean Donovan.
Wow.
And now Ian Mendes.
Do we have a thimble?
First time ever.
First time ever.
Oh, not so easy. It's not so easy.
Hold on.
I think you get more milk than
I'm so proud of your dad. All right, big round of applause for Ian Mendes and Mendes-Shean Donovan. Well done, gentlemen. Thank you very much. Thanks to your daughters for taking part as well. All right, next up.